In this video, we'll go through how to fix the issue of Face ID not being available on your iPhone. Let's dive into the steps you can try to resolve this problem though. First, whenever your iPhone is facing any kind of glitch or issue, the simplest thing to try is restarting your device. Just turn it off and then turn it back on. A reboot can often resolve minor glitches quickly. If the problem persists, the next step is to go to your iPhone settings. Open the Settings app, navigate to Face ID and Passcode, and enter your passcode. Once inside, look for the option to reset Face ID. Tap on it to clear the current Face ID setup. After resetting, you'll need to set up Face ID again. Follow the on-screen instructions to reconfigure it, and this might resolve the issue. If Face ID still isn't working, check your front camera. Sometimes, issues can arise from something physically blocking the camera, like a screen protector, case, or even dust. Inspect the camera area carefully and make sure nothing is obstructing it. Also, check that the camera itself isn't damaged. If the problem continues, there might be an issue with your settings. You can reset all settings on your iPhone to revert everything to default without affecting your data. To do this, go to Settings, open General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap on Reset. Select Reset All Settings, enter your passcode, and confirm. This will clear out any conflicting settings that could be causing the problem. As a final step, if none of the above solutions work, it's time to contact Apple support or visit an Apple Service Center. You can download the Apple Support app on your iPhone, describe the issue, and get in touch with their team via chat or call. They'll guide you further and help resolve the issue. These were the steps you can try to fix the Face ID not available issue on your iPhone. I hope one of these methods works for you. If it does, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks for iPhones. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Take care.